Resepi original dah bro. Terung Tunu. Siapa namanya bro? Hah? Lord of the Ring. Lord. Yang Lord. Oke, Lord sekarang nih membuat surprise untuk kita semua. Apa benda ini Lord?
Belacan.
Belacan Tunu guys. Si perasa 2 mangkok lah bentuk pula. Ketek aja ketek aja ada 3 pinggan untuk kelak makan no. Can you smell what the Lord is cooking, guys?
Baunya menusuk jiwa.
Harus kuat iman ini. Guys, macam Tunu guys.
Belacan.
Heaven, belacan Tunu.
Belacan is always good. Do you eat belacan, David?
Engage. You take belacan, right?
You take belacan.
Sikit-sikit lah.
Sedap belacan. When Willie Mongin was here, I provide lunch for them, and he requests this one. He like explain about Gawai to you, because he can speak English too. Do you prefer English?
Yeah. Is English well understood in the village? Or no, not at all?
You know, this guy, because he been to school before, and then that's why he can speak English. He's one of our guide. So during summer, he will come here. I will ask his help to help me with our client. Seterusnya kita penyet-penyetkan dia.
Nasional. Use blender lah khas David.
Karena kalau ini
Ini pusuk anak dia buah. Cara kenyang. Apa jaga?
Dia masing kan.
Ya, apa jaga dulu beberapa negara ini dia. Kan B kan nama dia. Pusuk anak dia. We have a lot of local people just come for a day trip to go to the waterfall.
So that could be good for everybody.
Yes, it is. I hope they will stay like that, because like in Anarais there used to be a lot of homestay operator. Now I think only 5, 6 left. Yeah. I mean the elder are not very interested doing this. We need young people,
And
because you got the energy to.
but when these ideas are sold to people, are they oversold so everyone thinks it's